गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास फिफ्थ। लास्ट मॉरल साइंस में हमने आपका चैप्टर 10 कंप्लीट कर लिया था। अब हम आपका चैप्टर 11 करते हैं। ये चैप्टर 11 है, इसे 11 कर लीजिएगा। टेनालीज कैट। ओके, ठीक है, चलिए रीडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं। द किंगडम ऑफ विजयनगर वॉज बैडली ट्रबल बाय रैट्स। द किंग कृष्ण देवराय brought some cats to get rid of the rats. The cats were distributed and each person also received a cow to provide milk for the cats. Tenali Raman, the king's favorite courtier, also received a cat and a cow. On the very first day, Tenali placed a bowl of boiling milk before the cat. The hungry cat immediately began to drink. The ठीक है, तो सबसे पहली चीज़, विजयनगर एक किंगडम था और वो किंगडम जो है वो चूहों से बहुत परेशान था। तो वहाँ का जो राजा था उसने कैट्स मंगवाए, ठीक है, कैट्स मंगवाए रैट्स से छुटकारा पाने के लिए, यानी कि चूहों से छुटकारा पाने के लिए बिल्ली मंगवाया। द कैट्स वर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एंड ईच पर्सन ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड अ काउ टू प्रोवाइड मिल्क फॉर कैट्स। सो कैट्स वर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, यानी कि एक एक इंसान जो वहाँ पे किंगडम में रहते थे उनको एक एक कैट दिया गया और एक एक काऊ भी दिया गया जो बिल्लियों के लिए दूध प्रोवाइड करे। तो तेनाली रमन को भी एक काऊ और एक कैट दिया गया। देन ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे Tenali placed a bowl of boiling milk before the cat. The hungry cat immediately began to drink the milk, but the milk was so hot that it burnt her mouth. The cat became so afraid that she refused to drink milk. Why she wouldn't even go near it. Tenali now used all the milk for his own children. Several months later, the king offered his officers to find out what effect the cats had on the rat problem. At the same time, the cats were also examined. All the cats were fat and healthy, but the Tenali's cat was very thin. The king was very angry. He turned to Tenali Raman. Tenali, is this the cat I gave you? You have been ill-treating her. She looks almost dead. Didn't you feed her the cow's milk? Tenali Raman said, Sir, I have tried my best, but I have failed. The cat refuses to drink any milk. If the cat doesn't like milk, what can I do? So the king roared in anger, Tenali, don't tell me another of your stories. There is no cat that doesn't like milk. Your Majesty, said Tenali in a humble tone, if you want, you can offer milk to the cat. If she drinks it, then you can blame me for ill-treating her. Milk was placed before the cat, but as soon as she saw the milk, the cat tried to run away. The king was surprised, but Tenali had proved his point. Later, the king found burns marks on the cat's face. He said, Tenali, you are very cruel. Why did you give her boiling milk to this cat? How could you do this, and how could you be so cruel? Sir, Tenali explained, I did not force her to drink the hot milk. I just placed the bowl before her. It was for her to judge whether the milk was hot or cold. The king said, Tenali, you win, but tell me, why did you do that? Your Majesty, cats can fill their bellies by eating rats and other things. Cow's milk should not be wasted on cats but given to the growing children of a state. The king saw the sense in what Tenali said. He ordered everybody to stop giving the cow's milk. सो तेनाली रमन चाहता था कि कैट को जो काऊ के मिल्क है वो ना मिले, बल्कि वो जो मिल्क है वो कैट पे बर्बाद करने के बजाय हम अपने बच्चों को पिलाएं, ऐसा वो कह रहा था। ठीक है, तो इसलिए इसने ये दिमाग लगाया कि उसने कैट को मिल्क पिलाया, लेकिन गर्म दूध पिलाया, और वो गर्म दूध पी नहीं सकती थी, इसलिए उसने रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया पीने से। ठीक है, उसके बाद उस मिल्क को उसने अपने बच्चों को पिलाया। ये आपका चैप्टर 11 कंप्लीट हो गया। इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर दूँगी। ओके, थैंक यू।